Lakes and the beautiful waterfalls, it's time to move on. I found myself in flatland actually, surprisingly. Didn't expect that in the Balkans, but I found some. It's not going to take long because I can already see the next mountains. But I'm moving towards Bosnia today, so another border crossing, the 11th country. So it's going fast, going into Bosnia. So I crossed the border into Bosnia right now, and it's immediately quite a distinctive difference with Croatia. You can see a lot of abandoned buildings, cheap cars, old cars, and stray dogs. Fires going on everywhere because I think that's the way people get rid of their trash. I'm not sure though. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that the Balkan has really started from here onwards, and so does my adventure, because this is really unfamiliar territory for me. Un-Western like. It's gonna be a different world from here onwards. Dear Bosnians, I have a question for you. Why do y'all have to drive so ridiculously fast? It's insane. It's 8 o'clock and I'm already awake, barely. As you can see behind me, I camped here out in the woods, not far from the road. I got my sleeping bag in the bag and my tent hanging out there to get rid of the moist. And I already started packing because I have to move on. Cycle 100 kilometers today, that's the goal. And a very good morning. It is a new day again. I'm here in Jaci? No, sorry, I completely slaughtered that one. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll write it down somewhere here. There's the old fortress in the background. I slept actually on the other side of the fortress 2 nights. I had a rest day. I had a pretty nice apartment for myself for just 15 euros. That's a steal, I think. Yeah, Bosnia is just pretty cheap in that sense. And today I am continuing my way to Sarajevo, and I have quite a climbing day to do. 2 mountains, I think in total around 1500 meters elevation, maybe even more, I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, so it's gonna be a tough day. The weather is really grey, dark, cloudy. It is gonna rain and maybe even snow later on, so let's see about that. So, up until now, I had to give the Bosnians a real compliment for making their uphill roads quite gradual, 5–6% most of the times, very doable. But here, man, this mountain, it's gonna be a challenge. Alright, and I made it to the top in the middle of this ghost town, one of the many here in Bosnia, and going to descend my way to the next climb. Yeah, so it's a climbing day today. Okay, so I took a different route than my navigation showed me to, because it was sending me through a gravel road, which at this time of year is really muddy, and especially with the rain, it's not gonna work. So I took a sort of a shortcut, but it's not descending, it's more ascending. It's more going up. So at the moment I did 1,000 meters of elevation climb today, and I have no clue where this road takes me. So it's gonna be a surprise. How do I look? Well, just in time. It just started raining pretty badly. So yeah, nothing we can do. And now I understand why my navigation sent me the other way. Because I found myself an even worse dirt road. Yeah, too late now.
Bosnia was being hit by an unexpected snowstorm, I decided to push it to Sarajevo anyways. The ride started off surprisingly enjoyable, as many people supported me along the way. I was even invited to a Bosnian barbecue. However, soon after, disaster struck. With major mechanical problems, I was stuck on the side of the road with nowhere to go. But how that ended is a story for next time. So that's it for this week, and I'll see you in the next one.